Yo, what is going on, guys? Today I'm going to be sharing with you a method to live stream on TikTok without utilizing a stream key. So guys, if you are new to the live streaming scene, if you are maybe old to the live streaming scene but diversifying, or maybe you're a TikTok creator, whatever it may be, there are various reasons that you would want to go live on TikTok without using a stream key. Now listen, I was the exact same way, and I went searching for a way that I could get a stream key for myself, and I didn't do any of that. So I went searching for a way that I could stream on TikTok without a stream key. Oddly enough, on Instagram, I found a way that I could do it, so I went ahead and tried it out. It works perfectly. I've been using it to stream for probably about 2 weeks now, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how you can use it as well. Now, if this video is up, this method is still working, so no worries, guys. But yeah, I mean, it's literally like a full-blown app. As you can see, I got it right there. Boom, tick, plus. I'm going to go ahead, show you how it all works.
Okay,
let's get it.
Guys, so as you can see here, we have tick plus downloaded and ready to go on my iPhone 11. Now, my iPhone 11 is great. I have no issues with my iPhone 11, but if you guys are running something different than an iPhone 11, say, maybe you are running a 12 or an iPad or an Android device, I want to say that it is still good. It is still okay. No stress on that matter. It works on those as well. If the directions are slightly different, that will be the only change that you notice. So, yeah. Let's go ahead and hop into it. I'm actually just going to pop right into the settings here and just kind of show you what I'm looking at. So, yeah, I mean, it's pretty obvious what we are looking at here. There is just now an option that I have on my actual TikTok. As you can see, it's in red right down here, called Live Stream Without a Stream Key. Now, that's basically all this app right here does. This is the only feature it adds. And so that makes it pretty easy for TikTok not to take it down. And so it has been up for a little while now, and it's going to probably stay up for a decent while now. So yeah, anyways, we are going to go ahead and teach you how to get this. These are the two apps that you guys are going to need. Now, you're going to need Safari and Settings. Safari and Settings. Those are your friends. If you don't have Safari, that's okay. You guys can use any other internet browser like Chrome, Firefox, etc. But if you do have Safari, I would recommend you use it just so that way you can follow along with my instructions as closely as possible. With that being said, let's go ahead and hop into our settings so that way we can configure a couple things around to make sure it looks good for our download. The first one is going to be right here in our battery section. This battery section has this low power mode, low battery mode, battery reserve mode, whatever it may be called on your device. That mode needs to be turned off for the duration of this download. The reason why it needs to be turned off is pretty simple. It needs to be turned off to reduce background activity like downloads. If it is turned on, we can't have that happen, so we have to have it turned off. Guys, after that, hop back into settings and then go to general. Once you're in general, you're going to scroll to background app refresh and ensure that it is turned on. Almost all devices are going to have background app refresh turned on because it is basically a default on phones and devices nowadays. But if for whatever reason it is turned off, make sure you do turn it on before going on for this download. So that way the app can have housing and continue to connect to the TikTok servers. Now that that is done and finished, guys, let me show you how you actually get this. So we're going to go to a website right here on our internet browser. It's this website right here. appbuild.vip. If you can ignore the motorcycle in the background, go to that website and then hit go, guys. And then you're going to be brought here to the #1 tweaked app store. That's the name, and honestly, guys, it is really not even an exaggeration. There is so many freaking tweaked apps on here, it's a little bit absurd. With that being said, guys, we are, of course, looking for tick, which should be down here somewhere in the T's. There it is, right there. So we're going to hit that install button, and what that's going to do, guys, is begin downloading something called a configuration profile. Now, if you're confused as to what that is, I don't blame you. It is a pretty confusing word. But essentially what a configuration profile is Apple's fancy schmancy word for a hacked app. It's an app that you are not downloading on the App Store, so instead of confirming it with your Apple ID, you will have to confirm it in your profile on your settings. So I'm going to show you how to do that as well. But basically, we're waiting for a little pop-up right now saying that the download happened and that we need to allow it to go through. There it is right there. Let's go ahead and hit that allow button. And now that profile has been downloaded, and it wants us to go to our settings in our profile if we want to install it. Obviously, we want to install it, so we're going to go right here to our background app refresh, guys, and then we're going to go here into VPN and device management. Right here, we have the downloaded profile that we're trying to get. Hit that install button and type in your regular unlock profile, the regular unlock password that you use to get into your phone every day. Hit next, and then install 2 times. After that, guys, you should hit done, and then you are done, because if I'm not mistaken, and I rarely am, yep, it's downloaded and ready to go. Enjoy, guys.